So guys, this is how to download 9news on your phone. So head straight to your phone menu and scroll to search for settings. So when you get to your settings, just scroll down below. No, you have to just look up. Rather, you're gonna find Play Store. So tap on the Play Store app and now tap on the search apps. Type in 9news. Then search. So that's the one that is popping up. So tap on it and now tap over here on the install button. So as you can see, it's pending. So let's wait. So now as you can see, it's downloading. So let's wait. So guys, as you can see, it's almost done. So let's wait. It's around 100%. So let's wait for the installation. So guys, let's wait. So as you can see, it has been successfully downloaded on our device. So let's tap on open, and this is 9news. So this is how it is. You have to use current location or search for location. So that's how it is. If you want more information about this, just tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video with your friends. So this is the app. See you in the next one.